Today we're going to start with getting our tools, the tools we need to actually do this, to do the work that we need to do in regards to diagnosing and fixing any computer problems. So first off, what we're going to do is go to Internet Explorer, and I like to use Google, so we'll go to Google. And once we get to Google, you'll see that we'll search for a program called C Cleaner. That's CCLEANER. Okay, once you hit search on Google, you'll want to use the website that's called Piriform. Okay, so back to Google, we search for C Cleaner, and the website we're going to go is piriform.com. That's Piriform. And we're going to click on download. And we're going to click on download again. And at this point, C Cleaner should automatically download. You just have to click download file and choose where you want to save it. Ideally, we should save it in the folder we created to store our tools in. Go ahead and click save. Okay, great. Um, while that's downloading, let's go ahead and get our next tool that we're going to use to fix any computer problems. Uh, Once again, we go back to Google, and we're going to get my favorite program. I like it. It's very good for getting rid of malware. It's called Malwarebytes. So we just type in Malwarebytes, all one word, and click the free version download on the Malwarebytes website. Once again, the download should start automatically. Just hit save, and we're going to choose the folder where we've saved our tools to. Great. Now that that's downloaded, let's go back to Google. We'll be going to Google a lot. We're going to get a program called Chameleon. It's by the same company, Malwarebytes, but this is a special emergency antivirus. It works great if you can't access the internet or the web browser's not working. You just launch Chameleon and it'll automatically run Malwarebytes. Okay, now most importantly, Microsoft Security Essentials. This is a free antivirus provided by Microsoft for their operating system. It's great. It's lightweight. As long as you have an authentic version of Windows, it's a great antivirus to have. So go ahead and get that. I'm going to save that for now, and that's going to help us prevent from getting viruses in the future by having this software on the computer. Alright, so we're going to let that download, and you already know we're back at Google. This time we're going to get another antivirus. This one's called AVG. We're going to get the free version of AVG. And, sometimes AVG will pick up things that Microsoft Security Essentials won't pick up or another antivirus won't pick up. So, we're just going to get the free version just to make sure we're completely covered and we're scanning and eliminating all possible malware or virus infections. So the solution we use is very comprehensive. We're going to save this into our tools folder. And as that's downloading, I'm going to let that download in the background. We're going to go back to Google, and this time we're going to get Hijack This. Hijack This will remove pretty much anything you want. It's more of a manual as opposed to automated approach, but this will pick up where the antivirus and malware scanners where they leave off. This will allow you to get down into the toolbars and remove things that may or may not necessarily be classified as a virus or malware. It may just be a toolbar or some software that you don't really want that slows down the performance of your computer. So we're going to save Hijack This into the same folder where we saved our other tools. Alright, very good. Now, back to Google, we're going to need to get one last piece of software, and that software is called House Call. Now, House Call is by Trend Micro. It's an online virus scanner. You typically run it from the computer that's infected. In this case, for now, we're just going to save a copy of it to our tools folder so we'll have it. But what's neat about this is it's by Trend Micro, so you can get the 32-bit or the 64-bit version, and it completely uses using new cloud technology. There's nothing to install. You pretty much just run a program, and it searches for your computer for viruses. It's quite fast, and it's free. So definitely get House Call. Use House Call. Before I even begin running any software, I usually run House Call first because it's very fast and it's very efficient, and it just works great. Okay, now that we have our tools, I want to say that we have everything we need to begin fixing and diagnosing computer problems. Just oh, one more thing I forgot. We need to download Google Chrome. It's always good to download Google Chrome and save it to your tools folder. It's one of these unique um, web browsers that doesn't need administrative privileges to install. So you can install Google Chrome, search the internet, and get the software that you need or updated versions of the software that you need. Um, and it's very fast. It's a very fast browser. So we're just going to save the download file to our tools folder instead of trying to run it over the web. And that's it. Well, thank you for participating, and now you know how to download all the tools that we need.